I just want to know, how did this fool get in here when this garage is completely sealed? There's no vents, no nothing. How, other than stuff I have in here, but still, how did he get in here? Well, fool ain't staying here, I'll tell you that. So, figure this out. This is a bad idea. I need something flat. That's too high. Hey, whoa, hey, chill. Chill. Here, put that there. So when he falls, I'm trying to find the web that he's on. Oh! Wait, no, not on the freaking bag. Yo! No way. Where do you go? Bro. He's in the bag. I can't use this bag anymore. Bags for sale. We have this package for my guys over there at Sac City Auto Parts. You guys probably guessed what's in this package. It is the new clock spring for the Z. Let's go ahead and throw this in because I'm tired of not having a horn or steering wheel controls or cruise control. Now, something I haven't done in a minute was check the oil in this car, yo. I set the little mileage thing for the oil interval, and I never got reminded. Y'all, look at this. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I think we need to do an oil change. See, here's the thing that sucks about doing an oil change in this car is this car takes mad amount of oil because we have an oil cooler and then we have an oil spacer, like an oil pan spacer. So it takes, it's something crazy. It's like 10 or 11 quarts or something like that. So oil changes are always expensive in this car, but obviously we need to do an oil change. So I probably won't drive it until we do an oil change, but we're still gonna go ahead and take care of this clock spring. Oh my gosh, this steering wheel feels so good. So I didn't film it on YouTube, but on TikTok I made a video about us cleaning this Alcantara steering wheel. It feels so freaking good. It literally feels exactly how I felt when I bought it. Because I actually didn't know that you can clean Alcantara steering wheels. I just thought that once it's screwed up, like you're kind of screwed. I don't know why I thought that, but I thought that. But I did some research and found out you can clean it. I did it and it feels freaking amazing. Taking all of this off is actually really annoying, so I'm not looking forward to it. But I mean, it got to get done, so it's all good. So we got this off. I went ahead and zip tied it. That way I know exactly what holes I used. Makes it a little bit easier. Just have to disconnect these two. Take this off, take the hub off, and then we're gonna have to take off the column cover just to replace the clock spring. Come on. Now I know off experience, this is just not gonna come straight out. You gotta freaking, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. And with a whole lot of beating, we actually got it out. All right, we're gonna put this to the side. I hate taking off these column covers because they never really go back on the right way. I just pulled the bottom off. We don't really, I mean, we kind of do have to get underneath here, but it's not a big deal. I can just kind of lift it up a little bit, but there's 2 screws right here, and then there's 2 screws right here, and it holds the clock spring, and then there's just the 2 connectors down here. I think that's pretty much it. I think that's how you change it. It looks pretty simple. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there's nothing more to it. And we're out of there. This one has one less plug that we need. No freaking way, dude. It's always freaking something. And I don't think you, yeah, you don't transfer that over. That's just, oh wait, do you? Oh wait. Oh, wait. Actually you do. I think you do. Why does everything keep breaking? What the heck? Oh my gosh, bro. Everything just keeps breaking. I don't know if you guys hear that. Yeah. Oh shoot. Okay. Well. So this is the bad one, which goes over here. And you're supposed to transfer it over. So it's on the back side, right? You just undo the kind of clips that holds it in. In our case, ours kept breaking, but it is what it is. And it goes like this. Yeah, it goes like this. Nice. I got stressed out for a minute. So I'm like, bro, no way. Like, I hate getting wrong parts, but no, we're good. So I want to show you guys how to set your clock spring to top dead center, I guess is what they call it, right? So you kind of want to turn it until you feel some resistance. So in our case, the resistance is right here, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it stops right there, right? So 1, 2, 3. So that should be like quote unquote center, or like half and half, right? So if we do 1, 2, 3, it should stop right here. So then we'll do 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and it should stop right here. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and that would be like our quote unquote center, or like top dead center. So as you guys can tell, I went ahead and Dremeled that connector down. It looks way better than my other one, right? The other one, I just kind of cut it, and it ended up like breaking one of the tabs on the connectors. And I don't know why, because we don't use this connector, so I don't know if that was why the airbag light was on, or if because the clock spring was bad. I'm not too for sure, but went ahead and used certain precautions on this one, so everything is good. Fits, so let's go and throw it on, and let's finish this. And we have everything back together, so let's go ahead and test it. We have our horn working, and we have our steering wheel controls working. And last but not least, we can go ahead and put it in high boost. Low boost, high boost. Everything works. Oh, wait, press cancel. Everything works. Would you look at that? Our little friend over here. I should just, oh, yo. This fool needs to chill. He needs like wet practice or something. Look at him. Over here trying to squirm. All right. I got you, cousin man. Just move our little oils over. Get him? I think I did. I don't see him. Y'all see him? I don't see him. I'm just gonna take this up. Is he there? Is that him? Dang, look at my man's all crushed. Not bad, bro. Can't be over here thinking that you're gonna live inside my garage. Got the wrong one. Because I don't do spiders. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. So we have oil for the 370Z and the Lexus, because we're going back home to NorCal again next week. So I need to do an oil change in that car. I'm probably gonna hold off on doing an oil change on this car till tomorrow, just because kind of don't feel like it. Plus, I really want to figure out this airbag situation. So we have a code scanner. Let's go and plug this up, and hopefully I can not only clear the code so that the ABS doesn't come, or no, excuse me, the SRS doesn't come back, and then I can read that ABS light and hopefully clear that. So we had an issue with the ABS light being on before. When we first boosted this car, I had to unhook the steering column to put the left side header on. And I guess the car sensed that the car wasn't straight, or going straight, or like steering straight or whatever, so it popped that light on. So I'm assuming that's why it's on again, because when we changed the clock spring, remember we had to unhook and rehook what I'm assuming is the steering sensor. So I'm assuming that's why it's on. There's a lot of assumption going on, but hopefully I can clear it with this thing right here. Alright, so let's try SRS first. Cross our fingers that this works. If it doesn't work, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Driver airbag module open. It's a current code, so that means that it's probably not gonna clear it. Alright, so we gotta figure that out. It says airbag module open, so I don't know what that means. So that means that the code's never gonna go away. Whatever. Let's go ahead and go to ABS. See if we have luck with that. Rear left sensor passed. Pass. Steering angle sensor, yeah, see? Steering angle sensor adjustment incomplete. Can I clear it? It cleared it. Let's turn it off. Let's see if it comes back. If it comes back, then I'm kind of screwed. That means I'm gonna have to take it to like Nissan or somebody who has the proper equipment to recalibrate my angle sensor for the steering wheel. Just because it's not on doesn't mean it can't come on. Yep, there it is. Back on. Oh my lord. How do I fix a problem to gain another problem? Alright, so we're just gonna call it quits for today. I figured out that the resistors that's supposed to go in these little plugs right here, the ones that I got, they're measuring 20 ohms and they're supposed to be 2 ohms. So I gotta figure out whether I can buy some tomorrow or if I'm gonna have to order some and have to wait. But it's annoying the fact that we fixed one problem but then gained another one, because now we have our traction control / ABS light on. So I gotta figure that out and how I'm gonna turn that light off. So it's all good. I will just pick this back up in the next video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.